Study to a success point. Hello friends, this is Utkarsh welcomes you in my physics class. This video is force part 2. Today my topic will be gravitational unit of force. Since we know that force is equals to mass into acceleration, where capital F is force, small m is mass and small a is acceleration. But when we talk about acceleration due to gravity, in that case we have to replace this small a by small g. Small g is the acceleration due to gravity. The force due to gravity on a mass at a place where acceleration due to gravity is g is given by capital F is equals to small m into small g. The above relation can be used to define the gravitational unit of force. Normally, we used to define gravitational unit of force with the help of two different fundamental systems. In MKS system, that is meter kilogram second system. In CGS system, that is centimeter gram second system. In MKS system, the gravitational unit of force is kilogram force. It is defined as 1 kilogram force is the force of gravity on a mass of 1 kilogram. 1 kgf is equals to 1 kg into acceleration due to gravity, that is g meter per second square. Since we know that kg meter per second square is equals to Newton and hence g Newton. Since the average value of small g is 9.8 meter per second square, therefore 1 kgf will be equal to 9.8 Newton. In CGS system, the gravitational unit of force is gram force. It is defined as 1 gram force is the force of gravity on a mass of 1 gram. 1 gf is equals to 1 gram into acceleration due to gravity, g centimeter per second square. Since we know that gram centimeter per second square is equals to dyne and hence small g dyne. Since the average value of small g in CGS system is 980 centimeter per second square and hence 1 gf is equals to 980 dyne. Further, 1 kgf is equals to 1000 gf. It is to be noted to an approximation 1 kgf can be treated to be nearly equals to 1 Newton. Some important thing to remember. At center of earth, the value of acceleration due to gravity is 0. So, the weight of a body at the center of earth will always be 0. Now friends, it's time to repeat and write all important points fairly in your copy. Hope you like the concept. Thank you.